But for anybody who receives this KMR card in their package, there's actually a special code on the back of it that saves you, it says 3%, but it's actually 15% store-wide. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel and to a new video. Today, this is gonna be a super relaxed day. Well, it's a long weekend and family's decided to get out of town a little bit, you know, enjoy nature for what it is. So we're gonna be driving a few hours towards Lake Louise, which is beautiful nature scene that is straight out of a calendar. And we're gonna be bringing Gohan with us. You ready, bro? You coming with? If it looks like I'm tired, it's because, first of all, we walked here, me and Gohan. It's like a 2-minute drive from our house to my parents' house, but like a 10 to 15-minute walk. But I skateboarded down here, and this morning I was just trying to learn up on my tray flips. Still can't get those, but I'm starting to learn where exactly my footing's supposed to go. And that last one there, I actually jammed my pinky. So I'm gonna take a small break. It hurts. All right. Dad's wrecking the Charizard shirt. That's sick. That's like a one of a kind. So believe it or not, the people who are handling those shirts, actually, they're not all so memorable that I've already forgotten their names, but yeah, they actually got a cease and desist from Nintendo themselves, so they had to stop selling Pokemon stuff. And Mom's already done all the baon packing. Got bananas, rice. Hi, bird. One, two, three, go. Your turn, bird. It's okay. Go, no, don't, please. He was about to lean on this. So for the few hours, I brought a book. Good to great. We're gonna just read that all the way. Tried to tire Gohan out on my way here. That way he's pretty chill for the ride. I think this is gonna be the longest he's been in a car so far. What are you doing? You have to go in the car, dude. Ow, I keep hurting my hands. Okay, go inside. Okay. In the lost royalty. Up. Good boy. Yee. He's picked his spot. You ready?
Baby.
He comfy. What the heck? Everyone's getting ready. The lake's over there. Hey.
Wow, ang ganda. Come on, Bebchi!
We here! Ang grabe talaga yung bundok dito sa Calgary. It's just a little bit of drive out of Calgary City, but basically this is what we're surrounded by. Lake Louise was super packed and all of the parking lots were filled. So we just ended up going to Moraine Lake instead, which is like another 11 kilometers away, just like 10 minutes up the hill. But we are super high right now. I just don't know exactly how high of elevation, but yeah, this is basically what we're surrounded by. You ready, homie? Yeah, okay. Oh, yo, what's up, dude? How are you? Good? Wanna say hi?
You're so cute.
Nice.
You're so cute! Hello! Oh my god.
You guys just enjoying?
Yeah, we're gonna do the canoe thing.
Oh, right on!
Yeah.
Crazy! Well, you guys enjoy, man.
Thanks, man. You too.
Yeah, thanks. Peachy! Yeah. You want to hold him, Mom? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? He's strong. Look at that. He's using all of his legs. No, Mom, no.
Ay, parang siyang lion guys. Lion guys.
All these people think it's a lion.
This looks like a bear. It's so cute. It's so fluffy. It looks like a bear. No, it looks like a
About 160 years ago.
Yeah, this breeze is nice. It's just nice in general to be up here, like fresh mountain air. So take it in while you're here. Go on, come on, breath. Can you stay? Mom's having a hard time. What are you doing, homie? Don't go in the water, okay? He's his reflection. Like Simba. Oh, he does want to drink it. Go on, don't.
Bakit nagkaan siya?
Ano kasi yung tubig gumaganon, kaya nagugulat siya.
Hihi, yuhu. Ano? Really? Yeah. That's true. Fresh. Is that okay, Gohan? He's super thirsty.
Huwag yan, nagkape yan.
Baka may ano ako rito. Ikaw maghawak nito, kuya. Baka maano ako dyan, ha? Ay, wag yan, kape. Jarpy.
Trust Ridge. Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! It's like the Lion King. Go on, fresh water, bro. This is perfect. It's like a nice little oasis. Little park bench and some stones we can sit around and have merienda. Awesome. This super blue water is ridiculous. And I feel like it's only in the Alberta area and some parts of BC that you'll be able to find this kind of blue water. Oh, go on. What are you doing, homie? Go on. We didn't bring a towel. Come up here, bro. Please stop. You gotta dry now. Oh. Now his legs look thin. Saying hello.
What's his name?
His name is Gohan.
Gohan!
Yeah.
It's like so tasty, just lets everybody
Yeah.
kind of...
Asia, как се зове?
It's made for vacations.
You can start charging for it here.
Yeah.
$5 you can pet my pet.
$10 per
Yeah.
photo.
$10 for picture, $5 just like for petting it.
How old is he?
This one's only 8 months.
8 months.
So he's still, yeah,
It's baby.
still a puppy, yeah.
It will be big, so.
I hope so.
Okay.
I want a big bear.
You want a big bear?
That's it. Looks like he's going with you guys.
Bye guys!
Yeah, thanks for saying hi. Cheers. Okay, you guys enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Ang lakas! Hindi tayo nakapagdala ng peyong.
if you guys ever get a chance. Moraine Lake. This place is neat. All right, we didn't actually end up getting to the very end, but I think it's just the same thing, just little pathways and rapids or a little waterfall. But I think it's time we head back. There's a bear in the forest. So cool. Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, Peyto Lake. There's just a whole bunch of Alberta lakes. These are glacier lakes that produce this insanely aqua blue color. And yeah, this is, like I said, it's just stuff you'd probably see in calendars, like Travel Canada videos. And it looks like it's about to rain. Just heard pretty crazy thunder. We're kind of protected by the trees, so it's okay. It's coming down hard. What is this? Damn, it started hailing out of nowhere. Come on, go on.
Yung paa niya, yung katawan, anak.
We weren't thinking. Oh my gosh. Go on. I have to wipe you down, homie. You're so homie. And just like that, it stopped raining. Just give it like a couple minutes. Clean the lens up a bit. All right, it's eating time. Got a little picnic going on in the car. Some rice to go home. Just little thanks. Yeah, he has it. Right here. Come down, you have to come down. There you go. What the? That's how he's eating. Go on. Go on. You got rice on your nose.
What's his name? What's his name?
Gohan.
Gohan?
Yeah.
Gohan! Sige, sige na.
Gohan?
Gohan! Dog is it? Chow. Yeah, a chow.
Next stop, we are now at a location called Emerald Lake. And it's called Emerald Lake, fittingly, because it's super green here. My kind of place. I didn't know you could actually fish here. That's cool. Wow. So green, dudes. It's bear season. There's a bear. This is a nice spot for it.
Pwede yung ano mo, hindi no?
Gaganon magbibenta. Pagka wala ng snow, gaganon ulit. November to June. Diyan talaga mabilis na mabilis yung ano ng snow.
So you can tell there's like a huge chunk of trees that is missing in the middle here. That is an avalanche path. It's like Mount Aquina. That is crazy hairpin turns. Wow. Just keep going up.
Oh my God, nasa taas pala tayo.
Whoa.
Taas, ano? No.
Dang, this thing followed us. I was wondering what it was. It's Alfa Romeo? Looks like it's rented. Whoa. What is this? Where are we? Oh, right there. Takakau Falls. Is that how you pronounce it? I didn't actually think you'd be able to cross this bridge, but it looks like you can. Our goal is to get as close to the waterfall as possible. Oh, that's awesome. Towards the falls. This guy's been leading us. Go, no! Ah, you went in the mud. There you go. Gohan. The breed is called a Chow Chow.
Chow chow.
Yeah, but it looks like a bear or lion or something. Oh, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy. Thank you. Oh, Dad's already here. Jeez, this is crazy. Wow, this is actually pretty nuts. Of all my years in Calgary, I've never been to this place ever. Well, actually, this is, technically we're in BC. quickly check this out. Whoa. Catalyst. Yeah, it's an Alfa Romeo. This thing is insane. It just looks like such an off car. Go on, come on. Hey guys. This is a Chow Chow. Yeah, he's really nice, so. Oh, super fluffy. Yeah, he made friends. A boy, yeah. 4 months? Oh wow, still baby. This one's 8. Gonna drift, Dad? You gonna drift? Woo! That's hairpin turn number 1. Man, it's kind of hard to gauge exactly how steep this is, but we are basically going down elevation by the hundreds. Hairpin turn number 3.
He is beautiful. Love his name too.
Oh, translates to rice in Japanese.
Rice in Japanese, really?
Loves rice.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Too funny. Haha. Perfect name then.
Yeah, exactly.
You know. Aw, thank you.
Aw, she remembers the name. See you guys. Oh yeah, he's totally cool. Yeah, super nice. There you go. Like a lion bear. Up. There you go, homie. There you go. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end the video. It's been a long day of hiking, and I'm sure this guy's pretty tired as well. I mean, he slept for the entire ride home. I'm talking about me. I think since like the border closure and travel ban, people within their countries are kind of just forced to make the most of wherever they live. That's no different for us. So, I mean, I have a lot of friends who are just using their vacation days from work to travel within Canada. It's kind of why the family decided to get out of town and, you know, enjoy the postcard scenery that we are surrounded by here in Alberta. Really embrace nature for what it is. Man, I'm just glad that Gohan's really cool with people. Believe it or not, it's said that Chow Chows are one of the most aggressive breeds out there. This guy? Nah. Look at him. Tired good boy. High five. I found the secret to laying down on Gohan. You have to scratch him at the same time. Everyone thought he was a lion today. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna pass out. Thanks for watching. If you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Yeah.